Ay, minasan, konbanwa. Watashi wa Junya to moshimasu. Yoroshiku onegai itashimasu. Okay, so yung topic natin ngayon is difference between tamini and yoni. Okay, umpisa natin kay tamini. Si tamini is used with verbs that do contain volitions. Okay, ibig sabihin ng volitions yung will. Lack of willing or used to express a purpose. Ayan, gagawin mo, may willing ka para makamit mo yung gusto mo. Yung ating pattern, kailangan si verb, gagawin mo siyang dictionary form. Then si noun, lalagyan mo siya ng particle no, bago mo ikabit yung tamini. Then yung sa verb, in order to yung meaning. And the noun, for the sake of or for the benefits of. Okay, example, every day I will review in order to pass the exam. So, shiken ni gukaku suru. Okay, yung dati is shiken ni gukaku shimasu. So, kailangan si gukaku shimasu, kailangan nyo munang i-dictionary form. So, dictionary form ng gukaku shimasu is gukaku suru. Then, put tamini. Then, next natin, yung everyday I will review. Yung mainichi fukushu shiteimasu. Okay, ito po yung shiken ni gukaku suru, ito yung purpose mo para makapasa ka. Ito po yung intentionally set up. Then, ito namang mainichi fukushu shiteimasu, ito yung to attain the objective or upang makamit mo yung bagay. Yung yoni naman po is used with verbs that do not contain volition. So, wala siyang will. Ibig sabihin, used to express a purpose din naman siya. So, first you need to make the verb potential. Kailangan si verb, gagawin nyo munang potential. Pag no-potential nyo na, second, make it dictionary form. Kailangan i-dictionary form nyo na yung potential. So, example, every day I will review so that I can pass the exam. So, dito, shiken ni gukaku dekiru na siya. Kanina kasi, shiken ni gukaku shimasu. Naging shiken ni gukaku suru. Pero ngayon, kasi sabi, yung shimasu gagawin yung potential verb. Na ang potential ni shimasu is dekimasu. Then, gagawin natin siyang dictionary form. So, mangyari, magiging shiken ni gukaku dekiru. Then, put yoni de mainichi fukushu shiteimasu. So rito, yung shiken ni gukaku dekiru, ito yung objective is a state may begin, yung purpose mo na maaaring makapasa. Okay, yung kanina kasi, yung tamini para makapasa. Ito naman maaaring makapasa or maaaring pumasa. So walang will dito. Then to get closer to the state naman, itong mainichi fukushu shiteimasu upang mapalapit sa estado. Okay, minasang, okay, warimashita.